I tried to build Spencer, the AI assistant. What should have been a simple build, well, it went wrong many times. Alright, this is the Circuit Mesh Spencer. It is basically an AI assistant. You can click on the big red button and it's gonna try to talk to you. It comes in a nice little box here and everything, and when you open it, it's got something really cool. At least I thought was really cool. It says you can do it. So in here you have all of the, as you can see, the boards and the acrylic casing. You have the speakers here. This is just electronic components. This is a cable, the button itself, and the arms and legs. So the things I think are probably the coolest to look at are the nice little circuit boards and everything. Everything's stuck with a rubber band. And then the lights themselves, the nice LEDs. The speaker. This will be the voice of the bot. So let's get into it. First, everything kind of went pretty well. I started the first few parts and everything looked good. Then I launched a piece of metal somewhere at the ceiling. I heard it cling and fall, but you know what? I'll find it when I step on it. Then I soldered a piece upside down and on the wrong side of the board. Then, of course, I tried to fix it the lazy way. Yeah, that went real well. That's when I had to break out the soldering gun. Good thing I knew where it was. Well, I plugged it in and the voice works, but the lights, yeah, not really.
Spencer. Hello, I'm Spencer, your own personal assistant. First things first, in order to work I need an active internet connection. Hook me up to your computer and open up circuit blocks to configure my settings.
Now I had to put these bad boys on so I can see what's going on the board itself. Yep, these are magnifying glasses and they definitely help. Alright, after some double checking and double soldering and making sure everything was right, we're going to go ahead and plug this in and see if it works. So here we go. Plugging it in.
Spencer.
And as you can
Hello,
see, it
I'm
lights up and
Spencer,
everything.
Your own personal assistant. First things first, in order to work I need an active internet connection. Hook me up to
That's
your
pretty cool.
computer and open up circuit blocks to configure my settings.
Sweet, it works. Finally. Now you would think at this time, finally nothing else will go wrong. Well, yeah, you'd be wrong. Alright, last step. Plug Spencer into the computer and, well, it doesn't recognize itself, so off the old drawing board. Turns out Spencer doesn't play nice with the USB 3.0. So now I'm waiting on a USB 2.0 hub to come in the mail. Next video, let's get this little guy working. That's No Lag STEM, where science meets a little bit of magic. Or at least we're trying to.